Hey, Asphalt Contractor business owners or Paving Contractor business owners. So we already talk about laying the foundation of our main title, how to fully optimize your Asphalt GBP in 2025. So we will talk here about the enhancing profile visibility. So how to enhance your Asphalt GBP profile. So first of all, service and product listing. What does mean? You should clearly defining services and products on GBP. So you have two options to edit services and GBP product on your GBP. Look at this profile. They are clearly added their products. So you should also edit your product on your GBP profile. So it's a ranking factor. Okay, so you should also defining, or you should also separated your GBP services and products. So products and services are not similar. So when you edit here products, you should not edit this as a services. So second part, in avoiding common pitfalls and mismatches. So what does mean by this? You should not edit similar services and product on your service section and also product section. So when you edit a services on your product section, you should not edit this as a services. And social media integrations, aligning Facebook service tabs with GBP listing. So when you edit your services on your GBP profile, you should also edit on this uh, your alphas GBP FB pages. And image and product optimization, important of high quality visual content. So you should upload your images on high resolution and integration with WooCommerce or Pointy for efficient product listing. So you should upload it this high resolution images, not any stock photo or collected any other side. So when you work, or you can you can ask mm, your worker to collect some photos. Most effective photo is before work and after work. So by this, your profile will definitely will be visible and increasing online visibility. So the ranking, and when you are ranking, you will got uh, more than visitors than previous. So look at this Maryland Asphalt LLC. They are getting almost 168 or uh, 168 to 200 visitors per month. So by this, they are getting almost 20 to 30 calls, are getting leads per month. And you should definitely also optimizing and serious about your GBP profile. By optimizing it, definitely uh, your GBP profile will getting more visibility and ranking high like this profile. So so hope you will understand what actually I want to mean. And if you have any question, you can comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible. So thanks and best of lucks, and wishing you grow your alpha paving business in 2025.